Hi, welcome to Fat Papa Cooking. Today's menu, shrimp cocktail and cocktail sauce. Let us begin. So today we do the shrimp cocktail. We use the frozen shrimp, and then there are a few ways to do it. Like you can remove the shell, only left the tail bottom, or you can remove all of them like me. Like because I have a child at home, so I will remove all of the shell first. And for the water we use to cook the shrimp, we need to use 5 cups of water, and then we will squeeze the lemon juice and then put the lemon in the water to cook it. That way it will bring up all the lemon flavor. And we need to add the sauce and sugar, and 2 tablespoons of the sauce and 2 tablespoons of the sugar. The reason is that when you cook the shrimp, and then they will have the flavor on the shrimp. Like some people, they may not want to dip the sauce, and they just want to eat the shrimp, and then in that way, the shrimp already have some flavor on it, and it will make the shrimp cocktail even better. So the shrimp cocktail, we make the sauce. If you forgot, it's very easy. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 tablespoons of the ketchup, 3 tablespoons of the chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice, and then 1 tablespoon of the horseradish. And the horseradish we will put at the last. The reason is that is the spicy one. We can adjust it. If you want more spicy, the hot flavor in it, you can add more. Since I have child, so 1 tablespoon should be enough, and then the taste is pretty good already. And if you have the Tabasco, you can put few drop of it and to bring up the flavor. If not, that is optional. The Tabasco is not needed, but if you have it, it will bring up the whole flavor. Because it has some hot sauce taste on it, it will the whole flavor will be better. It's not it won't bring up more spicy. It's not from the Tabasco, but it will bring up the flavor. So up to you. So on the shrimp, usually we use the frozen one, not use the one you go to the supermarket, they defrost and put on the ice. Those, because since they already defrost, and then if you buy at home those, the meat, it won't taste as good as the frozen one. So I would highly recommend you get the frozen shrimp, and then you defrost by yourself, and then wash it a little bit, and then remove the shell, and then cook it. So when the water boil, you're cooking the water to be the boil, and then you're making the sauce. Then you need to prepare the ice first before you put the shrimp in, and then you turn off the fire on the water. We just use the boiled water and then to cook it. You do not keep boiling. You just need to, as long as the water boils, you turn off the fire and then put the shrimp in right away and put in for 3.5 minutes. That's the best way, and then the shrimp will be cooked. Don't worry. And then as long as 3.5 minutes there, you put the ice in, and that's it. The shrimp will be ready, and then the sauce is ready. That's it. It's that simple. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and click the bell so I have the next video. You won't miss it. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.